ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to make a comment, or I'm not going to answer questions because I'm still under examination. So when I finish the examination, then I'll make a comment. It would be inappropriate and unwise to say a darn thing about this case right now.
Do you want to comment on the Judge Merchan has scheduled Donald Trump's sentencing for next Friday?
Well, I think that's absurd to sentence the President of the United States, or soon-to-be President of the United States, for a case in which he never even charged what the underlying felony is that he supposedly was furthering. Do you realize how gross a violation that is of due process? You enter a false record in pursuance of a felony, but you don't tell the defendant what the felony is. Either I didn't go to law school, or the judge, there's something seriously wrong with him. Donald Trump is the only person I know in 800 years of English and American history to be convicted of a criminal charge with less than a unanimous verdict. If that's sustained, well, I'd be absolutely shocked. The case is a disaster. It's an embarrassment for New York. It's an embarrassment for Bragg. And I don't know what Merchan is doing. He should have been sensible enough to know, let the case go, and don't disgrace the judiciary more than he already has. And he's done a hell of a job of making New York judges look foolish all around the country.
How are you holding up, given the fact that you have to turn over your valuables? You've got a very busy court docket over this next month. How are you holding up? I
don't know. I'm holding up. I'm going to go do my show now.
How do you think you comported yourself on the stand?
I hope actually, I'm not going to comment on that. The judge has to decide how I comported myself on the stand, not me.